Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we're going to look at the new AI agent for the Settings app on Windows 11. Microsoft is currently testing this feature in the beta channel, but it can also be found in the dev channel. Now let's dive into this new AI feature. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button. It is free and it really helps the channel and supports my work. Also check out my website for more tutorials and tech news. So the AI agent or assistant is another attempt from Microsoft to make it easier to find and make system changes on Windows 11. As part of this integration, you're going to see that the search box gets relocated from the left to the top of the Settings app, and using on-device AI, you can now use natural language to describe the problem or setting that you want to change. For example, you can type something like, how do I control my PC by voice? And as you can see, the AI is going to surface the option to turn on voice access. However, you don't have to actually click this option to go to the page to turn on the feature. As you can see right here, you can apply and turn on the feature immediately. And this is what the company means by the AI applying a setting on your behalf. Now, you can also try my mouse pointer is too small, and then you're going to see that the AI is going to surface the option to increase the pointer size from 1 to 5. But you can also see that the AI is suggesting the setting that you have to use with a specific feature. So right here, if we click the apply button, you can see that the pointer has changed the size, and you also have the button to undo the change. And at the bottom, you're also going to see some related setting based on the query. And this is also happening because of the integration of semantic indexing into search that also uses AI to surface the most relevant, in this case, settings for a particular query. Now, if I type change and I stop right there, you can see that the AI is trying to guess the setting that I want to change. And it appears that it understands the most common feature that people might want to look for is brightness. So from here, you can change the brightness for your computer. However, at least initially, it only works for some queries. Sometimes when you describe an issue or a setting, you won't get any results. For example, if I type change system color to green, we don't get an AI response. Instead, we get some results to specific settings. And in this case, we will have to choose the color settings, and from here we can change the accent color, which is what we wanted. And that's it. That's pretty much how the AI agent works on the Settings app. Remember that this feature is exclusive to Copilot+ PCs, but initially it will be available for the Snapdragon processors with support for AMD and Intel AI processors in the future. Now, if this feature is not available to you, you can try to enable it manually using the Vive tool. And to do that, you have to open the web browser and then go to this GitHub page. Scroll down and download the latest version. For example, I do have a Copilot+ PC, so I'm going to click this option and I'm going to save this to the computer. Then I'm going to open the folder location, and then I'm going to extract all the files. And then remember to copy the path. Open Command Prompt as administrator. You can also use the terminal. Then we're just going to open the folder where we extracted the files. I'm using quotations because I have a space in the path. And then you need to type this command and press enter. Now restart the computer, and then you should be able to see the AI assistant when doing searches on the Settings app for Windows 11. Now let me know in the comments what you think about this feature. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.